we have square root of 30 plus 8 root of 15 all over root of 5 plus root of 3 equals to x raised to power 1 over 4. So this is a little bit tricky, but let's see how it goes. To solve this now, I will have to first cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I have root of 30 plus 8 root of 15 equals to, this goes with this, we have root of 5 plus root of 3 multiplied by x raised to power 1 over 4. So that's cross multiplication. Then I'll see how I can get this square root out. I will square both sides. Square both sides. When I square both sides, I have root of 30 plus 8 root of 15 all squared equals to each of these will be squared. We have root of 5 plus root of 3 squared x raised to power 1 over 4 times 2 the square. So the square affects this and also this. So as we've done earlier, the square here cancels the square root. So we have 30 plus 8 root 15 equals to root of 5 plus root of 3 squared. Then this will be raised to power 2. Sorry, power 1 over 2. 1 over 2 because it cancels out there. So we are left with 1 over 2. Then we go on next. We are going to expand this. We have root of 5 plus root of 3. Then another one, root of 5 plus root of 3. So we open it up. We have root of 5 into root of 5 plus root of 3 plus root of 3, then root of 5 plus root of 3. So, but this will also remain 1 over 2 x 1 over 2. So we work on this. We have this times this will give us root of 25, and root of 25 is 5 plus this times this will give us root of 15. Root 5 times root 3 will give us root 15 plus root 3 times root 5 will give us root 15 also. Then plus root 3 times root 3 will give us 3, right? Okay, so we have this will still 30. We have 30 plus 8 root 15 equals to, this will give us 8. 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3, 8 will give us 8. Then this will give us 2 root 15. 2 root 15 because this has a 1, so 2, then x raised to power 1 over 2. So going on next, we are going to have 30 plus 8 root 15 divided by, we divide both sides to clear this out of here so that x raised to power 2, 1 over 2 will be left alone. We have 8 plus 2 root 15. So equals to x raised to power 1 over 2. So we have 30 plus 8 root 15 over 8 plus 2 root 15 equals to x raised to power 1 over 2. So as I said, we are going to rationalize. When we rationalize, we have 30 plus 8 root 15 over 8 plus 2 root 15 times 8 minus 2 root 15 over 8 minus 2 root 15. Let's keep this first. I'll bring it back later. So we have 30 into bracket 8 minus 2 root 15 plus 8 root 15 into bracket 8 minus 2 root 15. I love writing it out when I'm expanding so that I don't miss anything out. So all over 8, the denominator now, into bracket 8 minus 2 root 15 plus 2 root 15 into bracket, this now 8 minus 2 root 15. Okay, so here we go. This multiply by this multiply by this. That's what I'm trying to do here. So I have this times this, I have 240 minus 60 root 15. Then this times this, I have plus 64 root 15. Then this I have minus 16 root 15. Root 15 times root 15 will give us root 225. So root 225 is times 15. So root 15 times root 15 will give us 15 here. So I work on the denominator now. I have here 64 minus 16 root 15 plus this times this 16 root 15, then this times this, I have minus 4 times 15. So we're almost there. We have from here now we have 240. Okay, let me do this. This will give us right now. This will give us 120. Sorry, let me confirm. 16 times 15. Sorry, 240. 16, 8 times 2, 16. 16 times 15, that's 240. So this is going to go. This will go. This minus this will be out. Then I'm left with minus 60 root 15. Now this 2 will be out. 240 minus 240, 0. Then this also, since they are root 15, and we have minus 60 plus 64, that will give me 4 root 15 for the numerator. Then for the denominator now, 4 times 15 is 60. So 2 times 2, 4. Then root 15 times root 15 is 15. So that's how I got 60 there. Then over these 2 minus 16 plus 16 will be out. Then this 64 minus 60 will give me 4 equals to, remember x raised to power 1 over 2. So I can cancel this out. So we have root 15 equals to x raised to power 1 over 2. X raised to power 1 over 2 is the same as square root. Yes. So to get this out, to get this square root out, in other words, square root is on both sides. Root 15 root x. So I can like cancel both, or I square both sides. If I square both sides, I will have root 15 square equals to x 1 over 2 times 2. So when this cancels out, x is left, then this cancels the square. Then we have 15 equals to x. 15 equals to x. Therefore, so x is equals to 15. We got our answer. X equals to 15.